What's up, everybody? Thanks for stopping by. On this channel, I do unboxings, reviews, and I also share with you tips and strategies to help you create better content. So on this video, I am doing an unboxing of the Elgato Facecam. Now, this video is not sponsored by Elgato. I purchased this with my own funds, but hey, Elgato, if you're listening, hey, hit me up on IG. So, if you're new to the channel, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And turn on your notifications as well so you'll know when I drop a new video. So, let's get into it. Let's get into this box and let's see what this Elgato Facecam looks like. Paperwork. Let's see. Here we go. All right. This is it. So here it is. The Elgato Facecam. It's their web camera. So let's take a look and see what's in the box. I think we can get this thing open. Let's see here. Let's do it this way. Yes. Let's do it this way. See if we can get in there. There we go. Move that thing out of the way because it's a really sharp knife. All right, let's see what we got, Elgato. This is it, y'all. This is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. The box to the side. You've got some instructions, user guide. Let's see what else we've got here. Open this up. Got some more instructions, like the USB cable. Yes, it is a USB-C cable. I'll open it up so you all take a look at it. Let's get into this guy. Yes. This is a USB cable and USB-C connection to it, so that's pretty cool. Looks like it's a USB-C 3.0, so that's pretty cool. Let's get into this guy. Let's pull it out, see what it looks like. See this. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, there it is. It's the Elgato Facecam, their new web camera. It seems it's pretty lightweight. The exterior is kind of plastic, but it looks like it's a pretty cool face cam. So has a little pull out thing here where you can attach it to the top of your monitor. And it looks like also that, let's see, I think you can, yes, you can unscrew this guy down on the bottom. Yeah. You can unscrew this guy down on the bottom, and it has a thread screw where you can attach it to a tripod and use it that way. But it's pretty lightweight, nothing fancy about it. Just a USB connector on the back, your protector, a little cap to protect the lens. That's the lens. That's a glass lens from what I hear. We'll do, when I get a chance to use this guy for a little bit, test out all the features, I'll come back to you and we'll do an overall review of it. We'll check it out, see what it looks like, see how it works. So, thanks for stopping by, everybody. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.